One of the most effective ways to drive conversation, one of the best platform, the best platform that I know for driving conversations is Twitter. Twitter is best for driving conversations, and it also works, when you want to promote your affiliate offers, although it's not that popular because when comparing to other platforms like Facebook and other platforms, it does not, converts very well. But then the point is that it still works, it still converts, and you can use it for free. I've seen some sales, I've seen some leads coming from Twitter. The whole point is the thing, right? When you're doing something for free, when you're promoting something for free, you're not putting money in it. The point, the goal is to be patient, right? The moment you stop being patient, you're gonna stop doing it. The moment you stop doing it means the moment you're gonna stop getting sales and stop getting leads. I mean, look at the stories of successful people. How long did it take, them to get to where they are? A good thing about having a simple post on your social media, if you're promoting using a affiliate link that is called, a cookie that lasts forever, then even after 3 months, after 5 months, when if someone can convert them, you're still gonna get a lead or that sale attributed to your account. Now, on Twitter, I want to show you something, right? I'm on analytics, and I simply came here from my account and boom to my analytics. On my analytics here, I've been posting on Twitter as active as I was in the past years. You can see here my impressions have dropped, tweets have dropped. I have to tweet every day. The most important thing here I want you to look at is the profile visits. As you can see, November here I had only 18. As you can see here, December I only had 18 because I tweeted like once, right? One tweet, and here that's like one tweet, right? Now it's 2021, it's January. I tweeted more than once, and it's showing me here my top tweets. This one here and 315 impressions, right? Can be about over 200 people they've watched this. Now the most important thing that I want you to look at is profile visits, right? The reason is so important. Although I lost some followers, impressions 1.3. Okay, I tweeted 12. I tweeted 12. That's why I record here. I tweeted 8, right? But now the most important thing here, which really counts, which I really look at, is the profile visits. Why is it important? It's because on your profile you put your website or your link, right? Whenever people they visit your website, this is what they're gonna find: your name, your description, your location. This one you have an option. Also, this one you have an option. But I really recommend, if you have a Twitter account, make sure that you put the URL or the website link. Let's just say maybe you have one offer that you're currently promoting. Make sure that you put it on your profile, because there are people that whenever you tweet, they just want to check on your profile what kind of a person you are, what kind of a tweet do you tweet. So in January 2021, I got 168 profile visits. Probably 50% or more than that 50%, they visited my link. Because these people are people that are interested, in knowing about Audience Connect. Hence, they came to this profile here. Now, if you look at February, the numbers increased, right? Geez, in March the number kind of, wow, okay. I didn't even realize this. All right, cool. And I even got 2 messages. This is really good. This is really good. This in April it kind of dropped, but then this is really good. As you can see, I mean, Twitter, it does work. Just keep on tweeting. I mean, people they tweet more than 10 times a day. With free traffic, you gotta put in the work. Allocate 30 minutes just to tweet, just to post. At the end of the day, that is gonna work. That is gonna drive people to your profile just to visit you, right? So make sure that you go out there, tweet as much as you can. You see here, this Audience Connect tweets, and try to tweet as much as possible as we can. Because at the end of the day, these tweets are the one that drives people to your profile, and people, when they come to your profile, they want to find the link to the affiliate that you're promoting, and eventually they're gonna convert. So you wanna make sure that you go, if you don't have a Twitter yet, make sure that you go open a Twitter account and start utilizing it, because it is free and it's gonna give you free traffic. At the end of the day, you you're gonna be making money for free. So go check it out.